PT Fix distribution blocks. Unpack, connect, and you're done. The push-in distribution blocks with horizontal and vertical conductor entry are available in different numbers of positions, colors, and conductor cross-sections. The various installation options guarantee maximum flexibility when installing your application, along with space savings of up to 50%. The distribution blocks can be expanded and checked as needed. Additional functions can easily be integrated with disconnect and fuse terminal blocks. Configure your individual solution easily and quickly online.